Alright, so we have this situation.
Okay, well, just had to tear out a bunch of rotten wood. Spend a little time rebuilding. So got that done. Which they should really go from here with the drywall guys and put this back together. If you really wanted to do the whole wall, you gotta do the outside. Be good to go. Hey, Eric, what you got going on over here today? I see all these countertops and stuff.
So our
Walk over.
countertop fabrication station. We put together, we make all of our own countertops with the drip edge on the front. Cut the sinks out. That's a longer one. Backsplashes.
So these are replacing what was originally in the units?
Yeah, the old outdated ones from the mid 90s. This is a Corian type material, solid surface. Like I said, it's easy to work with. We just have to polish it up. Like I said, it comes in half-inch sheets, but we seam it together for the edge to give it more, to give it that durability.
Oh, okay.
And aesthetics, you know.
Looking good.
Yeah, this is how underneath looks. So we glue the edge on. So this is actually two pieces, but once you put it together and you sand it down, you can't see the seam anymore once you use the bonding solution. And sometimes we have to join countertops together, that type of thing.
10-4. So I bet up in the bathrooms and the kitchens there, the finished look is really, really nice. You get new hardware and everything, huh?
Yeah, once it's in and all polished, they look pretty good. Side splashes and back splashes on.
Almost look like a real granite.
And check out the photos. We got some before and afters
Okay.
of it. So
That's okay,
great
great.
stuff.